Yes. In this lecture, we are going to see nested structure in C language. So in C, it is possible to have one structure inside another. So structure inside another structure is called as nested structure. Getting? So in this nested structure, we have nested statement. Getting? We can have a nested if concept. Getting? We can have nested loop concept. We can have nested switch concept. We can have nested conditional operator statement. Getting? So in the same way, it is possible that we can place one structure inside another structure. So let us start with C program which demonstrate nested structure in C language. So by using two ways we can declare nested structure in C. Okay, so we'll cover both the ways. Okay, so let us start with nested structure. So what I'm doing, I'm taking two structures. First one, I am taking department structure. Okay, and consider these are the members of department structure. First one is department code and second one is name of department. So these are the direct member of this structure. Then what I am doing, I am defining student structure inside this department structure. Okay, and these are members of student structure. These are members of student structure. Roll number and average. Okay, now see here outer structure is department structure. Okay, and inner structure is student structure. So outer structure is department and inner structure is student. See, department structure has two members, that is department code and name of department. But see, department code and name of department, you can call them as a direct member of department. Getting? Now in the inner structure, that is student structure, which has two members, roll number and IVG. So you can call roll number and average as direct members of student, as we have defined this structure, this student structure inside department. Whatever members are there for student, they will be indirectly members of department. So you can call roll number and average are indirect members of department. Roll number and AVG, they are direct members of student. Getting? Department code, name of department, they are direct members of department, and roll number and AVG, they are indirect members of department, because we have defined structure student inside department structure definition. Okay, so this is the thing. Now how to access this member, or how to read the value of these four members? Getting? That we are going to see. So printf scanf, and then simply we'll print those values as it is on screen. Okay, now see, this is inner structure, that is student, it's a structure definition, and this is outer structure department. Now we have to declare structure variable for this. We have to declare structure variable for this. So again, we know that there are different methods to declare variable, so we'll use simple one. See, for structure student, I'm declaring it's a variable here, and for outer structure department, I'm declaring structure variable here. Getting? Now see, if I want to read information, department code and name of department from user. Getting? Department code, department name from user. Getting? So for this, what I need to do, I need to use department variable, that is D. Okay, so how to access that? First one, it's a data type is integer, and then second one is string. So see how to read, and then structure variable D dot structure member, then and D dot name of department. So this is simple, we have already covered this. But how to read structure, roll number and average, this information of student? Getting? Now see, they are a direct member of student, but they are indirect member of department. So to get the access of roll number and AVG, okay, from department, first you need to get access of this structure variable, that is yes. So to access roll number, you should use this notation d dot s dot roll number. Getting d dot s dot roll number. The same way to access avg, you should use d dot s dot avg. Getting? So that is the thing. So you can continue here. Roll number. Then sorry, average of student. Okay. So here you can continue, comma, and d dot s dot. You should form this link, and d dot s dot. So for printing, you should use the same notation. So want to print this. So format specifier first. So department code, data type integer, then we have string, then we have roll number of student, then we have average of student, and then the variables. So to access department code directly, d dot department code, then d dot name of department, then access roll number, d dot s dot roll number, then to access avg, d dot s dot avg. Dot s dot roll number, then d dot s dot avg. So see, this is declaration of nested structure. Okay, so here outer structure is department and inner structure is student. So one structure is present inside another. Getting? See how we have declared structure variable. See, this is one of the method to declare structure variable. This is for student structure. So structure variable is yes, and this is for department structure, that is d. Okay, now see, in department code and name of department, they are direct member of department, and roll number and avg, they are direct member of student, and they are indirect member of department. So you should form the link, that is d dot s dot roll number to access roll number. Getting? And to access department code, you can have directly d dot department code. So that is given in this program. So let us compile and run this program. No, there is no any error. Now run. Give values department code, then suppose CSIT department, then roll number 34, and suppose average is 78.9. Okay, so see, you got output. Now see, there is problem with format specifier. Let us check. Name of department, d dot department code, here we forgot to include format specifier for roll number and average. Compile and run. Department code, then department name, then again roll number 56, 5633 roll number, and then average is 78.9. See the output, 12 CSIT, then 5633, and then 78.9. Getting? So this is what nested structure in C language. This is the C program for nested structure in C language. Thank you.